Okay guys, I look a little bit crazy because I have no brows on, but look at this eye look. If you guys want to see a video on this, I am living for this eye look. I just sat down at my desk. I was like, let's do a cool look. I turned out loving it, and I'm like, oh, I wish I did a tutorial on this. That always happens. So yeah, let me know down below if you guys want to see a tutorial on this look right here. But yes, for today, we are testing out a new brow product. If you guys don't know what Influenster is, I did many videos on them. It's basically a app. I'll leave it down below for you guys. And all it is you have to be active on their site reviewing products, and then you get boxes sent to you for testing purposes, completely complimentary, again, for testing purposes. So I got this box right here. This is the L'Oreal Paris new Unbelivea-Brow Longwear Brow Gel. Pretty sure that's how you pronounce it. So this is L'Oreal's Unbelievable Brow Brows for Days Enhanced up to 48 Hours Brow Gel. So I'm pretty sure you can use it to like fill in your brows, to set them in place. So we're going to see, I'm not too sure what it is exactly, but we're going to be testing it out today. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. Okay, so I went ahead and zoomed you guys in. So these are what the brows are looking like. As you see, they look ridiculous. I look like I have no brows. I can't. So this is what it looks like right here. It's a nice plastic bottle. And again, it says L'Oreal Paris, has Unbelievable Brow on it. And yeah, that's what it looks like right here. So when you open it up, you have like a normal kind of wand. It's like the ones that you use to apply a lipstick. So that's pretty interesting. I brought my own brush because I figured I wouldn't be able to work with this brush right here. So yeah, that's what it looks like. So let's go ahead and test it out. Step 1, lightly apply the product to fill in sparse areas. Step 2, use the angled brush. This is not, does it come with an angled brush? Oh, look at that. It comes with a brush, because I thought they were meaning that brush, but it actually comes with a brush that looks like this right here. It has an angled brush on the one end, and then you have a spoolie on the other. So that's really nice that they give you that right there. So we're going to be using that to see if it works well. To finish, comb to the brows with the spoolie, and then to remove it, you would use an oil-based cleanser for long wear. Avoid cleansing products in the brow area. All right, so I'm super excited. It's pretty, standard for a brow gel. So let's go ahead and try this baby out. So this is the brush right here. It's pretty cute. I'm just gonna brush through my hairs like normal. I love it. It's so sculpted, so nice, but it's also so natural at the same time. Like this color, I love the color. So I'm going to go in with the foundation that I used and just sculpt out my brow. I always do that. So yes, I love it so far. Look at that brow. Oh, yes, I love the color. The color is spot on to my hair. It matches perfectly. It's not too dark, not too light, just perfectly in between. I thought it was going to be more cool tone, but it's just a nice warm tone shade. I like this color a lot, and I'm loving this. I usually use pencils, you guys know. I usually love the e.l.f. brow pencil, but I'm really loving this. So I'm going to do this side brow right here, and I'll tell you guys my final thoughts. Okay, so my final thoughts on this product right here is I'm really loving it. I think I would use this when I'm even going for like a natural brow, because it would look so pretty if you want to do like really bushy brows and just fill in any sparse areas. I think this can do a really good job as well. I think this will look really good if you like do a pencil first and then this over top as well. But this by itself looks so good. The color is spot on. I love it. Mine's in the shade 570 Brunette, and it works pretty well. I really love how it was so easy to work, and you didn't need a lot of product to fill in your whole brow, which is really nice. So this should last you for a while. And yeah, I thought it was really nice, especially to get that tail end with the brush that they gave you. I really like how with the brush, when you brushed it, it dispersed the product evenly throughout the brow, which made you not have to use a lot of product, which was really nice. This is also really nice to get them natural looking hairs going upwards, especially with the brush. I think these two are just perfect together. I really, really love it. I think they look so nice. They're dried, they're nice and hardened and set, and I think it looks really, really good. Let me know down below what you guys think, if you ever tried this out, if you guys really like it. And yeah, that's my final thoughts. I hope you guys really enjoyed this short little video. A lot of my views come from these influencer boxes, so I figured you guys really, really like me reviewing these products. If you guys want me to review any other products, let me know down below. As well, if you guys want to see a tutorial on this look. So yes, if you guys haven't already, please subscribe down below. Give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to click the notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new video. You don't want to miss out on any of them. And yes, stay tuned for season 2 of American Beauty Star, airing January 2nd on Lifetime TV. You don't want to miss me on it. And also be sure to hashtag ABSSaraStoy. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.